Now, in the question number 8, a factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? As this is an indirect proportion, so 42 machines, if we increase the number of the machine, then the number of the days which in which we have to, or the factory have to completed to make the number of articles, so that will decrease. And if the number of the machine decrease, then the number of the days increase to produce the same number of articles. So it is given to you that if there are the 42 machines, then 63 days is needed to complete the work. Now let there be x number of machines to complete the work in 54 days. So this is an indirect proportion, so 42 into 63 equals to x into 54. This 54 moves to the denominator part, then x equals to 42 into 63 by 54. Okay, 321 times 63, 318 times 54. Again 7 times 3 7s are 21 and 3 6 are 18. Now we have 42 into 7 by 6. 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49. It means 49 machines is to be needed if the same number of articles will be produced in 54 days.